Hi everyone, this video is about Gale. Gale is a database that is available to us because we are New York State residents, and you would be able to find this database in any of the public libraries that you go to, or some that you might go to. All right, so here we have Gale. It's on the LibGuide. You can find it in the upper right hand corner, and I'm just going to do a very basic search for chiropractic. And what it's doing is that it is behind the scenes, it's using our IP address or also the geolocation to ensure that I am a New York State resident. So this is something that happens behind the scenes. Many of you might not even be aware of what's going on, but more than likely it's not going to ask you for your portal username and password because, again, this is a resource that is available to you as a New York State resident. So some of the things that I like about Gale is, it has, like I said, general magazines. It has academic journals. I really like these videos. Other things that I really like about Gale is that you can also filter your results, very similar to what we do in EBSCO and PubMed. You can filter things by publication date, by document type. But you can see here that I already have it checked off for full text document. So everything that you're going to get is available in full text. Gale went through an upgrade probably a few months ago, and one of the cool things that it did, or what I think is really cool, is that it came up with this thing called Topic Finder. And what Topic Finder does is it takes your main word or your keyword that you put in, and it actually finds additional words or phrases that you can use to help you narrow down your results. So for those of you that have taken my in-services or taken my class, I talk a lot about a concept block and how this is really just a word game. And so in addition to using PubMed, the subject terms that they have there, in addition to using EBSCO subject and thesaurus terms, this is another place that you can go to find additional words and to come up with ideas to how to narrow down your topic. So the other and again, this is brand new, and one of the other really cool things that I like about it is, let's say we wanted to just kind of stay with chiropractors and chiropractic care. You can go right here. I apologize for that. You can go right here and click on chiropractic, and it actually narrows things down even further for you. So is it chiropractic and healthcare? Is it patients? Is it chiropractic tables? Is it the New York State bill? So what I really like about Gale is that it provides you with those different words and with those different phrases and subjects that you might not have thought about previous. That relate to your keyword and your subject, and again, to narrow things down. And if you look here on the right hand side, you can see chiropractors, there's 21. And again, if we narrow things down, let's say we wanted to do chiropractic approaches, you can see that there's 2. All right. Now remember that this database is for New York State residents, and so even though it does have these academic journals, I still suggest that you use your Boolean and phrase searching to really narrow things down, because that's probably going to give you the best results and have you find things that are relevant to what you're searching for. Some of the other really cool things that I don't have time to go through right now is that these have these search alerts, and you can also do your search history. So if you leave and you forget what you searched for, you can do a search history, and because it is tied to your IP address and your geolocation, it kind of keeps track of what you search for, good or bad. And you can also do highlights and notes, and this is something that you can, once you've opened this up, you can save it, and it saves right to your desktop or your drive or wherever you put it. But again, those are a little more advanced searches, and I just wanted to give you an introduction to what Gale is and what the new Gale is, and some of the different features of it. If you have any problems or any questions, please, you can always contact me. Thank you. Have a good day.